My name is Dave Gardner. I'm the product manager for our communications products. We found that if a small business uses email, they tend to stay with us a lot longer than small businesses who don't. Email is one of those things that people, it's the lifeblood of a business. They really can't operate unless they have email. OpenExchange is a new addition to our email portfolio, and OpenExchange has a lot of capabilities in terms of its ease of use. It has a capability to store files online. The more you know about OpenExchange, the more effective you can be at selling it and explaining the value that it provides to small business owners. Very shortly, we're going to be meeting with Rafael Laguna, the CEO of OpenExchange. He's here today visiting us from their home office over in Germany, so we're excited to have him here.
My name is Rafael Laguna and I'm the CEO of OpenExchange. OpenExchange is a software company that builds web applications that allow you to work on your email, your contacts, your files. We sell through hosting companies like you and service providers in general, so we don't run the stuff ourselves. It's not that you can go to OpenExchange.com and get your mail account. We don't do that, so we exclusively sell through companies like Endurance. Well, we started the company in 2005, seeing the opportunity with software moving into the web. So we said we're going to build this web application desktop and build the core web applications. The ones that moved first was probably mail. Right? People got very used to web mail very early on, so we said this is what we're going to focus on. And grow it from there, because we're going to see a revolution in the software industry. This whole thing is going to flip around and everything is going to go into the web. Well, the ideal customer for OpenExchange is a business. It can be small or large, that it doesn't matter that much. It can be very tiny, it can be a self-employed single people business, and it can be hundreds of people and anything in the middle. So you have your mobile phone, you have your tablets, you want to incorporate these things into your workflow. Right? People want to communicate with you more digitally, right? And instead of doing phone calls and faxes, you probably send emails. So you are looking for a trusted place to put all these things, and you're looking for the applications that make the things that you want to do with your devices really work without having to deal with it too much. Now, first of all, you get a trusted place that you can put all your work in the web. So you get this whole web application platform that does everything, a lot of things that Google does as well. Of course, we do it better, better user experience and all that, but also you get it as a service from a trusted provider like Endurance. In a nutshell, we're moving the whole desktop, your Windows into the browser, if you like, right? So everything that comes with the operating system today, like your webmail client, your address book, your file browser, we're pushing that into the browser. So your desktop moves into the browser and now is available from everywhere, from every machine, including your mobile devices. The base today is at about 80 million users, so it is pretty big. When we started in 2007, we were at almost zero, right? And then we had 10 million, then we had 20. By the end of last year, we had 60 million, and by the end of the first quarter, we had 80. So this mass of users, of course, is a great, sort of a picture of what's going on in terms of velocity of things moving into the web, in terms of expectations in user experience, expectation in what type of applications people want to use in the web. And what you'll notice is from the way the UI looks like, when you fire up the application, you have a login like on a desktop, and then you're inside your desktop environment, and it's very lightweight, very pleasant to look at. It adapts to your screen, so it's very responsive, right? So if you scale down your browser, it makes best use of the space that's available. If you fire it up on your tablet or on your phone, it does the same thing, so that the same application, the same desktop is usable on all these devices. In March, we announced what we call OX Documents, which is a full Office suite. And it's providing us two things inside the OpenExchange experience. One is all your files that happen to be Office documents are now viewable from inside the web application. So you can pull out your phone and flip through your PowerPoint, showing somebody what you have there without downloading the PowerPoint. And then, of course, when you think a little further, the next desire you develop is why do I pull down a file to edit it? So having a web application that allows you to do, let's say, 95% of your editing tasks, right? That's the cool stuff that we have announced. So you are looking for a trusted place to put all these things, and you're looking for the applications that make the things that you want to do with your devices really work without having to deal with it too much.